In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see someone's location on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step we need to open up Find My application. If you cannot find My app icon on your home screens, just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up Search and then search for Find My. That's how we can easily find that app. It is installed by default on any iPhone, and now we need to open it up and then head over to People tab. As you can see here, I got a person who has shared their location with me, and in any time, as long as they keep sharing their location with me, I can tap at that person to get their current location. To share your location with some user, we need to tap right here at this plus and then select Share My Location. Here we can select a user or several users whom we would like to share our location with. We can select users in that way. Once we tap at any contact, it will be added right here, and then we can add several contacts in that way simply by tapping on them. Also, we can tap right here at plus to go to our phone book. And from here we can search for a contact whom we would like to share our location with, then tap on it to add it right here in that way, and then to continue, tap at Send. On the next step, we need to choose for how long we would like to share our location with the selected users. We can share our location for 1 hour until the end of day, or we can share it indefinitely. I recommend you to use last option just with the users whom you are really trust, like your close friends or family members. I'm just gonna tap at Share for 1 hour. And now it says that I have started sharing my location with that user. Also, at People's tab, it shows that this user can see our location. To stop location sharing, tap at that user and then select Stop Sharing Location and then confirm it. If you want another person to share their location with you, just send them this video and ask him to go through these steps, starting from hitting at this plus button. And then you will be able to see their location on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.